How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I am going to do a veiny hand workout. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dillenberg999. So the exercise that we're going to be doing today is going to be called the claw stretch. This is crazy. Like, this is a crazy exercise. It is going to target our forearms, so don't think like, okay, it's a veiny hand video, why is it targeting my forearms? Anytime you target your forearms, you're actually targeting your wrists and your hands as well. So all this gets worked out as well. So don't worry about that. So with the claw stretch, what you're doing is you're taking your hands, you're curling them like this, kind of that, like you make a claw. And then we're just gonna squeeze really hard and we're gonna hold this for about 20 seconds. So hold this for 20 seconds. Again, it's very, very important that we hold and that we squeeze. Like, don't just go like this where you're not squeezing. You gotta be squeezing as hard. Your fingers should look like they are curled to the very top. They shouldn't look like this, they should look like this. So again, curled at the top, hold for 20 seconds, just like this. And you're gonna notice, you're gonna see a huge, your veins are gonna start popping in your hands. So really, really, really good, you guys. Again, about 20 seconds. Next set, we will do 30, and you guys can see the veins in my hands being worked just like that. And yeah, we will do it again. 5 seconds, we'll do it again, and we will hold for 30 seconds. You can hold for as long as possible. Just keep holding on until you can't do it. So again, claw stretch, hold like this. And again, you should be squeezing your fingers. If you're not squeezing your fingers, and you're not really gonna get the best workouts. You gotta be squeezing your fingers. That's the main point of this exercise. And again, just hold for exactly 30 seconds. Ooh, it's starting to burn. Okay. Wow. Really starts to burn. Okay. So that's the exercise. Do 5 sets or so, and you can hold on. Try to hold on as long as possible. You don't have to just do 30 seconds and then stop. Do for as long as you can. So that's what I recommend to do, you guys. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please follow me on Instagram, Dillenberg999.